Welcome to Parsimony, your all-in-one business management solution. In this tutorial, we'll explore the Procurement Tracker report in the buying function and specifically within the Key Reports subfunction of Parsimony. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use this report to track your procurement activities and monitor their progress. To begin, let's navigate to the buying module in the Parsimony dashboard. Click here to access the buying-related functions. Once you're in the buying module, locate the Key Reports tool. This tool provides important reports to help you manage your purchasing activities effectively. Click on the Procurement Tracker report to access the report interface. This is the Procurement Tracker report. Let's explore how to use it to track your procurement activities and monitor their progress. Start by selecting the desired filters to narrow down the report results. You can filter by supplier, item, quantity, or any other relevant criteria. The report provides a comprehensive overview of your procurement activities. It displays details such as the purchase order number, supplier name, item details, quantities, and delivery status. Pay attention to the delivery status column, which indicates the current status of each purchase order. It can be pending, to receive and bill, or to bill. To get more information about a specific purchase order, click on it. The purchase order tracking details provide a breakdown of each item in the order, their quantities, expected delivery dates, and the actual delivery status. You can export the report to various formats such as Excel or PDF using the Export button. Additionally, you can print the report for offline reference. Congratulations! You've learned how to use the Procurement Tracker report in the buying function and the Key Reports subfunction of Parsimony. This report allows you to track your procurement activities, monitor their progress, and ensure timely delivery of goods. Thank you for watching this tutorial.